Hi Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw BTS's BT21 baby Koya. So let's get started. To draw this cute koala, let's first start by drawing his nose. So we're going to come right here and draw a small curve. So this is the top of the nose. And we're going to get wider as we go down. So let's bring this curve down and about right here, round it off. Round it off and connect. There, so we got our koala nose in. And then let's draw the eyes. So I'm going to come to the side of this nose about right here. I'll draw a circle. And same thing on the other side, so about right here. So now that I have the circles in, let's come in here on the top right here with another small circle for a highlight and shade everything else in. And same thing on this eye. Okay, so now that I have the eyes in, let's come to the top of each eye, and about right here, I'm just going to draw a soft curve. And then let's draw Koya's cute smile. So right underneath his nose right here, I'm just going to draw a small little curve for a smile and cap it off. Aw, so cute already, right? Okay, so then now to frame his face, I'm going to come to the top of my eye, come out nice and wide, so about right here. I'll just give myself a point. Same thing on the other side, about right here. And I'm going to start to draw a curve. Nice big head all the way around. So it's just kind of like my usual dumpling shape, kind of wide on the sides. And then I'll just bring it down to connect with a shallower curve at the bottom. So by right there, I'm going to go ahead and connect it. There. And then for the top, I'm going to bring it up. Nice and high, so about right here. And I'll stop about right there because in the center I need to draw a fluff of fur, right? So I'm just going to imagine this is still coming around. So about right here, I'll just give myself a point. I'll come out with these two curves right on the top, and then I'll just finish whatever space I have left and then continue to the other side. So about right here and finish off my head. There, so it's all framed in finally. And then we need to draw the koala ears. So right about here, and say here, kind of like where the eye is, right about here. I'm going to draw a big curve. Big round curve for the ears. And I'll come inside and draw another curve for the inside. Round this bottom part off a little bit more. And same thing on the other side. So I'll just drag some points across since I'm drawing pretty big. So like bottom of the eye, about right here. So once again, nice big curve. And don't worry if it's not the same. It won't be. You just want approximately the same area and size. Okay, so there. And then I'm going to draw the inside once again. And a curve. Okay, so then finally we can draw his body. I'm going to come to the center. So like the center of his eye, I'll come down about right here. And same thing right here. And from there, I'm going to draw a straight line down. Then I'll come to the center and say about right here. I'll draw another straight line, a smaller one, and then I'm going to connect for his legs. So that's how I've been drawing all the BT21 babies. Makes it a lot simpler, simple bodies and connect. There. And now for his arms. So right here, we're just going to pop out a line and then curve it in and connect. Same thing right here. And then in the center, we're going to draw his tummy area. So I'm going to come about right here and here, nice and center, and draw a big curve. And of course, I'm going to draw a heart right here, right in the center, to make it my baby Koya. Draw Secure Baby Koya from BT21. There. So that is pretty much it for the drawing. I'm just going to come in here with some Crayola markers to bring it to life. So they're all done. I really hope you love how baby Koya here turned out and that I've inspired you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.